If your car AC feels like a hairdryer, don't panic. There's usually a simple fix. Let's find out what's going on with your Hyundai Elantra. First, check your car's AC settings. Sometimes the system is set to fan only instead of cool. Make sure the AC button is pressed and the temperature is set to cold. Next, a common reason for AC trouble is low refrigerant. If the system is low, the compressor might not even turn on. You can buy a simple pressure gauge at most auto stores or have a mechanic check it for you. Another issue could be a blown fuse. Your Elantra has fuses that control the AC system. If one burns out, the compressor won't start. Check your owner's manual to find the AC fuse and see if it needs replacing. Also, listen for strange noises when you turn on the AC. Clicking or grinding sounds might mean the compressor itself is faulty. In that case, you'll need a pro to take a look. Lastly, a dirty cabin air filter can block airflow, making it seem like your AC isn't working. Replacing the filter is cheap and quick. So, to recap, check your AC settings, refrigerant level, fuses, listen for odd sounds, and swap out the air filter if needed. If nothing works, it's time for a visit to your mechanic. Stay cool and drive safe.